Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Shanta Divedi. Today we are going to learn about one of the most interesting and beautiful poem of class 9th literature, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Let's decode it line by line, understand the theme and everything in between. Also, we will discuss about the poetic devices. So let's get into the video. Robert Frost was an American poet known for his realistic description of rural life and his use of everyday situations to express the deeper truth and realities of life, human emotions and feelings. Also, he talks about choices in his poem. This poem is about choices, individuality and consequences of our decision. हमारी लाइफ में जब भी हमारे पास कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जहाँ पे हमको कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पाथ चूज करना पड़ता है, that choice makes our journey more interesting or incredible. Whether you choose the correct path or the incorrect path, but it is about the courage you had to choose that one particular path and to follow through. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it went in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. The poem begins with the poet standing in the woods. In the woods means in the forest, okay? So poet is standing in the forest and in front of him there are two choices. There are two roads diverged. So he has to choose one path. तो अब वो क्या करता है? The starting point from where the roads are diverging, वो वहाँ पे खड़े होकर एंड तक जहाँ तक वो देख पाता है as far as he could, वो वहाँ पे खड़े होकर देखता है, कोशिश करता है देखने की कि कौन सा पाथ कौन सी जगह को लीड कर रहा है. बट दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल अंटिल यू वॉक ऑन द पाथ. यू कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द वे इट इज टेकिंग यू. सो ही डिसाइड्स टू चूज द लेस ट्रैवल्ड बाय. और उसके बाद वो दूसरे वाले पाथ की तरफ देखता है और वो सोचता है कि वो भी शायद ठीक ही है. ऐसा होता है ना लाइफ के चॉइसेस में कि हम लोग को दोनों ही ऑप्शंस ठीक लगते हैं, बट इट इज द करेज, इट इज आवर डिसीजन जो हमें सिर्फ एक पाथ की तरफ लेकर जाता है. सिमिलरली जो हमारा पोएट होता है वो चूज तो एक पाथ करता है and he chooses the path less traveled by. About the poetic devices, the poem has a metaphor जो है वो दिखा रहा है that life की choices को roads के साथ compare किया गया है. metaphor होता क्या है? metaphor is a poetic device जहाँ पे हम as और like का use किए बिना comparison करते हैं. for example, इस poem में हमारी life choices को roads के साथ compare किया गया है, roads के बराबर में इक्वल प्लेस में रखा गया है. तो यहाँ पे मेटाफर यूज किया जा रहा है, सिंबॉलिज्म यूज किया जा रहा है, इमेजरी यूज की जा रही है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ राइमिंग स्कीम. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सिंबॉलिज्म, द टाइटल इटसेल्फ इज सिंबॉलिक इन मीनिंग. द रोड नॉट टेकन मीन्स वो वाला पाथ जो हमने नहीं चूज किया, और द पाथ दैट इज वेरी कॉमन. पोएट जो है वो कौन सा पाथ चूज नहीं करता? मोर ट्रैवल्ड बाय. ही चूजेस द पाथ लेस ट्रैवल्ड बाय. सो द टाइटल of the poem itself is symbolic in meaning, जो ये बता रहा है that we should not choose the path that is common. Also in wanted wear and first for, alliteration has been used. The first very important line is two roads diverge in a yellow wood, which means that there are always two choices in front of us. The next important line is that I chose the one less travelled by, which means that the poet had the courage to choose that path which is less travelled by, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जा रहे थे. the path which was not chosen by a lot of people, but he chooses that path. And the most important line that has made all the difference. This line shows that every decision in our life changes the direction of the life and makes a major impact on our life's journey. तो basically ये poem हमें सिखा क्या रही है? To be courageous, to not be afraid of any decision विच वी मेक इन आर लाइफ, क्योंकि लाइफ में जो भी हम डिसीजन लेते हैं, एवरी डिसीजन मेक्स अस हु वी आर. सो यू शुड नेवर 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 बी अफ्रेड ऑफ टेकिंग एनी चॉइसेस विच यू वॉन्ट टू टेक, एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज बी courageous towards taking any step or any decision in your life. So that was it. That was The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost, a simple yet very beautiful and deep poem about the life choices and the journey of our life. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more literature videos of your syllabus. I will be taking up each and every chapter and poem of your literature, and we will be discussing it like this only. So follow for more, follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram as well, and that's it. Thank you.